Hello, this is Vashish and welcome to Plants Go Aqua. Well, today's video is a little bit interesting as I'm going to discuss more about goldfish, its care, its requirements. So let's get started. First thing first, what are goldfishes? Well, goldfishes are the freshwater fishes which are available in market which you can keep inside aquariums. Its scientific name is Cariceus auratus and it belongs to the family Cyprinidae of order Cypriniformes. It is one of the most commonly kept aquarium fish. Basically, they are found in East Asia region and goldfish breeds vary greatly in size, body shape, fin configuration as well as coloration too. As on April 2008, the largest goldfish in the world was believed by BBC to measure around 19 inches, that is 48 centimeter, which was living in Netherlands. Their visual ability allows them to distinguish between humans, such as owners can notice that fish react favorably to them, like such as swimming to the front of the glass, swimming rapidly around the glass, and going to the surface mounting for food. Over time, goldfish learn to associate with their owners and other humans with food, often begging for food whenever the owners approaches towards them. Goldfish have a memory span of at least 3 months and can distinguish between different sizes, different colors, different shapes, different sounds. There are around 33 different types of goldfishes which are available in market, but from them there are so many varieties which are available in specific regions. So I will be discussing about the species which are available in market all over the regions, such as common goldfishes, shubunkins, telescopic, orandas, ranchus, ryuk. So let's get on to it. Coming to the first one, that is common goldfish. These are related to the species of carp, koi varieties. These breeds are the best fishes to keep for beginners as they are hardy breed of the goldfishes. Coming to the next variety, shubunkins. Well, shubunkins have a very different coloration as compared to other goldfishes, as 25% of its color are of blue silver tone which acts as a background for other body colors. They have even coats of black dots running throughout the body as well as fins too. Coming to the next variety, ryukins. Ryukins are for Ryukyu Island, which is popular goldfish breed in Japan. It has a very prominent hump towards the back of its head and which elevates the dorsal fins. These comes in varieties in color combinations such as solid colors as well as multiple colors as well. Coming to the next part, telescope. The telescope goldfish are known as global eye goldfish as it is known to be in Europe. They have a very short, deep, rounded body and the look of their eyes explain it's all telescopic. Coming to the next variety, orandas. Orandas are one of the fancier type of goldfishes which makes them very difficult to care of. They don't do well in waters temperature less than 65 degree. Here as you can see I have two types of orandas. One is red cap, the other one is golden oranda. Well, they are named as red cap because of the red cap like structure over their heads. Coming to the next variety, pearl scale. Pearl scale goldfish have a very spherical body shape, dome-like structure containing calcium carbonate. It looks like a golf ball. The calcium carbonate in the scales creates a pattern of pearl-colored domes pushing through the skin of this goldfish types. Coming to the next variety, ranchu. Ranchus are full-bodied fancy goldfishes without dorsal fin. They are very similar towards the orandas as we discussed, and they look very similar to the orandas as well. Coming to the next variety, bubble-eye. As the name suggests, they have bubble-like structures over their eyes. The bubble has a similar body shape of other goldfishes, but the main difference is they have two fluid-filled pouch of skins on its cheeks. Goldfishes are found in rivers, lakes, ponds, and every freshwater habitats in the planet from temperate to tropical environment. Coming to the water requirement, the optimum temperature for every goldfish is around 68 degree to 74 degree Fahrenheit. The pH is not critical, but ideally should be between 7 to 8.4. Rapid changes in temperature or water chemistry can be harmful to the fishes. A tablespoon of aquarium salt or sea salt per 5 gallon can help the fish to keep in good, healthier condition. The main problem all faces is filtration. We have to fit a good filter which filters the nitrates produced by the fishes. Change 10% of water weekly or 25% of water in 2 weeks. Tap water contains chlorine. To get rid of that, we can use water conditioner, or we can keep the water for 24 hours so that the chlorine gets settled out. Settling up a tank, you need to keep couple of things in your mind. Goldfish should not be kept in bowls, small aquariums, or you can say unfiltered containers. They produced significant amount of waste as well as they require high oxygen demand. Shubunkins and common goldfish are excellent outdoor pond fishes which you can keep as they survive relatively cold winters, whereas the fancy goldfishes such as ryukins, ranchus and orandas are not good for outdoors. In aquariums, and common adult goldfish requires minimum 15 gallons of water per fish, whereas the fancy goldfish require around 10 gallons of water. The filter should be slightly oversized so that it can accommodate more waste produced in the aquarium. You should not add any sharp materials for decoration which can hurt the fishes. Coming to the fooding part, goldfishes are omnivorous. They feed largely on insects and plant matters in wild. But for aquariums, we can use goldfish flakes, granules for high quality diet. Frozen and live foods can be a treat for them. Feed them twice daily, having a 12 hours of gap. There are a couple of things you have to keep in your mind after buying a goldfish. Hope you guys got to know what a goldfish is, its requirements, its care. If you have any such queries related to goldfish, then please be free to drop me a comment. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get notified. If you want more videos related to fish, till then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay fishy. Thank you.